Hi everyone, welcome to the new Macramé tutorial. Let's make this cozy fall decoration a leaf-shaped mug coaster. For weaving I used twisted cords, terracotta color 4 mm thick and beige color 5 mm thick. Fold the beige cord in half and tie a simple knot in the middle. Glue the beige cord to the table like this. Prepare 6 pieces of terracotta cord. Take the first one, fold it in half. Make 2 loops like this. And hold them with your finger. Take both beige ends and pull them through the loops. Tighten the knot. The cords end up on the left and right sides. Pull firmly to secure. Looking for more beautiful macrame projects? Join the Macramé Tutorials Club and get access to exclusive full-length video tutorials with voice guidance and unique designs I don't share anywhere else. Inside the club you'll discover a growing collection of creative macrame projects, from stylish accessories to cozy home decor, all designed with love and attention to detail. Right now you'll find cozy fall and Halloween projects, stylish functional decor to add seasonal charm. And that's not all, many more unique designs and creative projects are on the way. It's the best way to keep learning, stay inspired and support my work. Click join to start creating with me today. Attach all the remaining cords in the same way, folding them in half. 2 loops. Pass the beige cord through. Tighten the knot. Done, you should now have 6 cords on each side. Pull the beige base cord and beat so the top knot sits tightly near the terracotta cords. Then bring it back in place. Take the top terracotta cord, this will be the base, and start making clove hitch knots around it with the other terracotta cords. Tie the knots close to the center line. Do the same on the other side. Take the top cord on the left, it's the base, and make clove hitch knots around it. These are your two side columns with base cords. Now attach them to the beige center cords. Take the left cord over the top, through the loop, and bring it back to its side. Do the same with the right cord, over, through the loop, tighten and back to its side. Go back to the top cord and make 5 clove hitch knots around it. Repeat on the left side, 5 clove hitch knots. Now the columns are ready. Attach their base cords to the beige cords again. Take the top cords again and make another column of 5 clove hitch knots. Done, keep attaching and weaving this way. Continue repeating the pattern. Ready, I made 7 rows in total. We'll tie off the base cords a little differently this time. Take any beige cord and fold it like this. You'll have 3 cords in your hand. Now take a terracotta cord and make a clove hitch knot around these 3 cords. Tighten the knot and pull the folded beige cord. That's how it looks from the back side. Take the second beige cord and fold it into a small loop. Make a clove hitch knot around this loop using the second terracotta base cord. Tighten the knot and leave a small loop about 8 cm long. From that loop, tie a simple knot. Tighten this knot close to the clove hitch knots. Pull the first beige loop we folded earlier and insert the nearest terracotta cord through it, then tighten back. Now we have 4 ends in the center. Hide these ends under the central loops. Cut off the extra cord. Glue and hide the remaining ends under the weaving along the leaf's edge. Hide them inside the clove hitch knot rows from the back side. I tucked the ends through a couple of rows, then cut, glued, and hid them. Done, here's our finished leaf, soft, cozy and perfect for your mug.